Katt Williams rose to fame with his stand-up comedy specials, like Katt Williams, Pimp Chronicles and Katt Williams, It's Pimpin' Pimpin'. His comedy often blends personal experiences with satire on culture, race, and society. He also gained fame through his acting, notably playing the character of Money Mike in the movie Friday, after next stand as the lead in the show Wild 'N Out. Williams' life has been a mix of highs and lows, including public incidents that have sparked controversy. He has faced legal challenges and personal struggles, but has always made comebacks with new projects and comedy specials. He's known for being outspoken and bold, often addressing his own flaws and challenges in his stand-up routines. Katt Williams has also used his platform to raise awareness on social issues, contributing to various charitable causes. Though he's kept much of his philanthropy low profile, he has had several relationships, some highly publicized, and has children. Williams has been very private about his personal, family life but has occasionally opened up in interviews and stand-up specials. Despite his controversies, Katt Williams has a flair for the extravagant. He is known for his fashion style, often wearing sharp suits, gold chains, and designer shoes. He also enjoys the luxurious side of life, including high-end cars and mansions. Katt Williams' net worth is estimated to be between $10 million to $15 million. As of 2024, his wealth primarily comes from stand-up comedy tour and Netflix specials. He is known for selling out arenas, film and television roles, including movies like Scary Movie 5 and Norbit, merchandise related to his comedy specials, and public person.